celebrities have such bright white smiles. Their teeth look like beacons you could use to find your way home. I made an appointment with my dentist and I asked if I too could whiten my teeth. I wanted them to shine just as bright. There was one little bitty problem. She said, "You have an implant, and that tooth will not get any brighter." So I asked, "Well, doc, what can I do?" And she casually said, "Don't worry, we'll figure it out. It's been over 20 years since you had it done. We'll have to find out the kind you have. No big deal, we'll ask the surgeon. He can surely tell us what kind it is." And she casually said, "Don't worry, we'll figure it out." The next time that I saw the dentist, she tried to remove that front tooth, but it was far too hard to remove. She had to call her assistant for help, and she casually said, "Don't worry, we'll figure it out." It took a surgeon to get the job done. Now a new front tooth must be made. You must patiently wait, but in the meantime, you'll have to wear the old one. Now when I chew, the tooth is loose. It wiggles when I try to chew, and sometimes when I flash a smile, it spins around to look at you. I called the dentist and explained the trouble with the tooth, and she